Hi everybody, I'm going to remind you how to play Make-10. You can play this side by side with a partner and take turns, or you can play it on your own. I'm going to show you how to play on your own. So I just have a regular deck of cards, and I decided to take a really fat Sharpie marker and write each number really big in the middle because it helps me see it. In order to play this version, I took out my kings, queens, jacks, tens. So I just have the digits 1 through 9. And my goal is to use 2 cards to make a sum of 10. As you know from some of the lessons we've already done during online learning, knowing the facts that add up to 10 can be really super helpful. So this is a good way to start to make these facts automatic. So I dealt out 3 rows of 4 cards. If you want, you can give yourself an extra row, it's up to you. And I'm going to just look for combinations of numbers that add up to 10, and I'm going to work my way through the cards. So the first one I see is 4 and 6, so I'm gonna pull them over here. One way that I like to play is to try to find all the ones that are on the table first, and then go back and fill in the missing cards. So I'm gonna see what else I can find. I see 7 and 3 add up to 10. I see another 6 and 4. I see 7 and 3. And I see 6 and 4. So it might be easier for some first graders to just replace each card as you go. And I can show what that looks like on this round. It really doesn't matter. You can see I started to make 9 dots in a 10 frame there. So if you think having a 10 frame would be helpful, I believe the cards that are printable on our math website allow you or have that feature. So I'm gonna keep going. I know that 9 and 1 add up to 10. So this time I'm gonna just replace each one as I go. I know that 7 and 3 add up to 10. And I'll try to just make my way through the entire deck. Here's another 9 and 1. Eight and 2. This game goes really fast. Your goal at the end is to see if you can get every card used up. Sometimes it's possible and sometimes it's not, depending on your deck. So I think you probably get the idea. 5 and 5 are 10. I'm at the end, so I'm gonna just finish it out. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 7 plus 3 is 10. All done.